So the topic of today's video is machine learning. So in this video, I will introduce you what is machine learning, why it is used, what is the need and what is the application of machine learning. So human can learn from its past experience. Where as the human grow, here also continues to learn. In the same way, if we want that machine should learn from the past data, then we need machine learning. Right now computer or machine, how they are working, we have to provide instruction and then they will work. But if we think that machine should also give some decision, machine should have also some intelligence, then we have to use machine learning, and to apply machine learning techniques we have to use machine learning algorithms. So what is basically machine learning? In machine learning, a machine also learn from the past data and then it will predict something. So it is application of you will find the applications of machine learning in various sector. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a superset of machine learning, and machine learning was proposed by Arthur Samuel in 1959. And what is the purpose, what is the main motivation behind to develop the machine learning? The motivation is it is used for prediction and decision. This is the main motivation. So what happens in machine learning? It learns from historical data and it will build the one mathematical model, and which is used for prediction and decision. So it builds the prediction model, and whenever new data is received, so it predicts it for output, because the already mathematical model is built, and whenever new data is received, that mathematical model has been applied to the new data, and output can be predicted. So this is the main intention of machine learning. Earlier machine does not have intelligence, but we can provide intelligence to the machine through machine learning. So ML algorithm build the mathematical model and predicts it for output. So that is the main motivation of machine learning, and that's why machine learning is very popular nowadays. It is applied in lot of sector. So this is the structure. Here you can see there is input data. So how the machine is trained? Machine is trained using training data, and whether the machine is properly giving the output or not, that we will test it on test data. So there are two types of data in machine learning: training data and testing data. So we will divide the data into two parts: training data, testing data. In training data is used to train the machine or model, and then testing data, we will test it whether the machine give properly accurate results or not. So here this input data is given as training data to machine learning algorithms, then mathematical model has been built by machine learning algorithms. There are a lot of algorithms, and then when new data is came, that mathematical model has been applied and output has been given. So this is how the machine learning model works. So what is the need of machine learning? I told you it is used to detect hidden pattern from the data. We can detect the hidden pattern that human cannot recognize it. Then it is used for decision making and prediction, and it is used to extract the information from the data. So that is the main purpose of machine learning. Now application, there are lots of application in nowadays in almost all the sector. Machine learning has been applied. So it can be used in image recognition, recommender system. Means suppose on any e-commerce website, if you search any Samsung mobile, at the bottom it will give you the similar type of mobile. So that is nothing but recommender system, and it can be used in spam filtering. There are n number of applications. So that is the introduction of the machine learning. In next video we will see various techniques of machine learning. There are three techniques: supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share.